What we're gonna go over here is our 1x4 Interfor Beaded Pine. This is a Ponderosa Pine out of Central Oregon from Interfor's Gilcrest Mill, where they make some of the finest pine boards in North America. This is a great piece of pattern stock that's versatile, user-friendly, and priced right. The first thing you'll notice with this product is just an impeccable finish. Interfor's Gilcrest Mill has one of the finest planers in all of North America, and it leaves a silky smooth finish that is instantly detectable to the touch. That finish makes it great for a coat of paint, stain, or a whitewash, all sorts of applications that really set this above any other comparable product out there. It is a reversible product, so the primary face is going to be here, which is our 1.5-inch on-center bead. On the backside is just going to be a very simple WP4. It's a full 3/4 inch thick, and it has a seamless tongue and groove connection. This is Interfor's Reserve Grade. With Interfor Reserve Grade, you'll find some knots throughout the board, which is going to provide rich character and contrast when finishing. It comes in 12-foot and 16-foot lengths and is sold by the piece. This is a fantastic option for ceilings, porches and outdoor living spaces, wainscoting, and accent walls. In a nutshell, this product is high quality, versatile, and excellent to work with.